What's Google Drawings? How to use it like a pro. Google Drawings is a web-based diagramming and graphic design tool provided by Google as part of the Google Drive suite. It allows users to create drawings, charts, diagrams, and other visual representations. Here are some tips to use Google Drawings effectively. 1. Accessing Google Drawings *. You can access Google Drawings through Google Drive. Open Google Drive, click on Plus New, and then select Google Drawings under the More option. 2. Basic Tools *. Familiarize yourself with basic tools such as shapes, lines, text boxes, and images. These can be found in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. 3. Inserting shapes and lines *. Use the shape icon to insert various shapes. Click and drag to draw them. For lines, use the line icon. Hold down the Shift key while drawing to create straight lines. 4. Working with text *. Add text boxes using the text box icon. Double-click to type and customize text. Format text using options in the toolbar, including font, size, color, and alignment. 5. Inserting images *. Use the image icon to insert pictures from your computer or the web. Resize and move images as needed. Right-click on an image for additional options. 6. Arrange and align objects *. Use the Arrange menu to bring objects forward or send them backward. Align and distribute objects evenly using the Align and Distribute options. 7. Group and ungroup *. Grouping allows you to treat multiple objects as a single unit. Select objects, right-click, and choose group. You can ungroup later if needed. 8. Customizing shapes and lines *. Right-click on shapes and lines to access customization options, such as changing fill color, and line thickness. 9. Connectors and lines *. Use connectors to create lines that stay connected to shapes even if you move them around. Access connectors from the line menu. 10. Explore templates *. Google Drawings offers templates for various purposes. Click on Template Gallery to find pre-designed templates. 11. Collaboration *. Like other Google Drive apps, Google Drawings supports real-time collaboration. Share your drawing with others and work together in real time. 12. Export and download *. When your drawing is complete, you can download it in various formats or directly insert it into other Google Drive documents. By exploring these features, you can use Google Drawings more efficiently and create professional-looking diagrams and visual content.